So here I have a pint of Zobo, those disintegrated parts. Like I said in my previous video concerning Zobo making, these disintegrated parts are more juicier than the whole leaf. So I'll wash behind the camera and then transfer to my pot and add all the things I will be adding into this while they cook on the fire on a high heat. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, time to cook. Woo! Guys, you see how massive this pot is? Do you see how big this pot is? This, I don't know, this should be more than 20 liters actually. So now I'll be putting water inside. I will cover up this leaf. So much water. So now I've added water. You can see the amount of water I added. So I'll be going off the camera to pound my clove, my ginger, and there's so many things I'll be putting here. I just want it to be as healthy as possible. Hello guys, so here we go. You can see it's already boiling. It's boiling. I have bay leaf here. Adding some cinnamon. 1, 2, 3, 4 sticks of cinnamon, and I'll go ahead and pound all this. Okay, sit down so you pound. Here I have some fresh ginger, a lot of it, guys. If you want to take your Zobo to cloud 9, add a lot of this. So we'll just proceed and pound. So let's allow our ginger and cloves to release out its taste, nutrients. Then we're going to be sieving the chaff out, right? This actually dries off this carrot. Look at, no single liquid. Did you see this? Oh, jeez. Wow. So guys, this is how the Sokani juicer works. Ooh, guys, look at. So guys, so all this for our premium Zobo. All this for our premium Zobo. All this for our premium Zobo, guys. Look at that 100% natural juice. All this going into our Zobo.
Dad, your body is so sweet.
We are done. Hi guys, we are ready. Our Zobo is ready. Remember, we didn't just make Zobo, we made a premium Zobo. You saw all the fruits I used. I used apple, I used cucumber, carrots, watermelon. Look at this premium drink. What are you waiting for to patronize me? Send me your order and I will deliver anywhere you are in Lagos. Okay, I will deliver ASAP. Are you doing naming ceremony? Are you doing wedding? Are you doing baptism, child dedication? Anything at all, we will deliver.